seen the statements by the Pakistani leadership and media reports in this regard. Any action by Pakistan to alter the status of the militarily occupied so-called Gilgit-Baltistan has no legal basis whatsoever and is totally void ab initio.
There are reports that Nepal has requested Indian government to consider export restriction on onion. What's the date on this?
See, we are aware that many countries in the neighborhood import large quantities of onion from India, and we are in close consultation with other stakeholders and GOI. I understand a decision has been taken that shipments which have already been handed over to customs before the imposition of this export ban could be released for export. And in this regard, some movement has already happened to some of our neighboring countries. We will continue to monitor the situation. The Air Suvidha digital platform, which has been made available for all arriving international passengers since the 8th of August. And this platform essentially allows for exemption from institutional quarantine for incoming passengers on the Vande Bharat mission flights. This service has been made available in response to a long pending demand of passengers for seeking of their RT-PCR tests. It has helped to reduce passenger processing time.